Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F23 and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to switch to the video one. So let's tap on it, and if you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar right at the top, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution, and after tapping on it you can see that we've got three different options from which we can choose. So we've got the UHD, FHD and HD option applied. All of them are with 30 frames per second. So right now we've got the FHD option applied. We can see it right here, and after tapping this option is highlighted. So all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the one you'd like to use. So let me pick ultra high resolution video, and as you can see the icon changed, which means that this option has been immediately applied and your device will record videos in chosen resolution. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your Samsung Galaxy F23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.